I started the garage. It was an aspiration for my retirement. I had often thought that I would play with old cars again, and so you need a garage for that. You can't leave them outside. And the other is that I would have a studio. Went to school in fine arts and had aspirations of having a studio sometime and being able to work. So I combined those into this building, and this is it. I'm an architect by profession. As I had these thoughts about creating a garage and a studio, I knew where I wanted to put it onto the site and how it would relate to the existing building and the surroundings. With that, I knew it's like an attorney. You don't want to represent yourself. I hired an architect who I knew. We are in a historic district, so there's oversight. We have to go through a review process for the architecture. I heard about Owings from my neighbor. They were doing renovations on their building. I knew by watching that they knew what they were doing. They knew how to deal with an old building. Probably the biggest challenge was grading and getting the building to fit into the site and get the garage at the lower level to work. Owings was up to it. I'm very pleased with the results. I wanted to be part of the process as it was going up, and the Owings team were fantastic. It was a very enjoyable process because of the people. I'm extremely pleased with the building. The building came out too nice. It's way beyond my expectations as far as architecture, and I'm very, very pleased with the product.